Hello everyone, welcome back. If the health app not tracking step on your iPhone and iPad after or before iOS update, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Connect to internet with the Wi-Fi or cellular data, then tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After that, tap on date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. After this setting, we go back to settings, find and tap on privacy. Here we are going to find and tap on fitness, motion and fitness. Under motion and fitness, make sure that fitness tracking is enabled and also health app is enabled under fitness tracking. That's it. By doing these steps, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.